So you're thinking about selling your house as is, and you're wondering what that really means, right? I'm Paul Burrows from David Ling Real Estate, and today I'm breaking it down for you. First off, selling as is means what you see is what you get. You're not making any repairs or improvements before the sale. This can attract buyers who are looking for a bargain or are interested in flipping houses. But here's the catch. Even though you're selling as is, you still need to disclose any known issues. We're talking about the big stuff like foundation problems, roof leaks, or electrical issues. Skipping out on these details can lead to legal trouble. Next up, pricing. As-is homes are usually priced lower than those in top condition. The discount should reflect the cost of needed repairs. It's a good idea to get a professional appraisal to figure out a fair market value. When it comes to marketing, highlight the positives. Focus on the location, lot size, or the potential the property holds. Be upfront about its condition and aim at buyers who are on the lookout for a fixer-upper. Negotiations are still part of the game. Even though you're not doing repairs, buyers might ask for a lower price or credits for the necessary fixes. Know your bottom line before you start negotiating. Working with a seasoned real estate agent can make a world of difference. They can guide you on pricing, marketing, disclosures, and negotiations. It's all about a smoother transaction. And finally, legal counsel. It's wise to consult with a real estate attorney to review the sales contract. This ensures you're covered and protected from any potential legal hassles. So there you have it, folks. Selling a house as is can be a smooth process if you know what you're doing. Need more help? Reach out to me, Paul Burrows at David Ling Real Estate. Thanks for watching and happy selling.